Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We are very happy to see you here. And today we're gonna be talking about a potential huge dump on our beautiful coin Cardano. And as well, if you look into investing in Theta or you don't know about the project, make sure you watch my beautiful wife's video that I'm gonna put a link here and at the end of the video as well, so you can also learn about this amazing project and maybe become a part of it. Okay, and for now, let's jump to the chart and see why I'm thinking that there's a potential dump coming to our Cardano. Okay, so we can see that we enter here in this triangle and we range in between it. So I just took the target from this side, from the down to the up, and put it here and here. So we kind of can see where the potential reach if we're going up or down. But why do I think we are gonna be going down? If we're gonna take a look at the weekly chart on a bigger time frame, we can see on the RSI, and I'm gonna show you an example from the past. So if we can see here that we had our high here, and then we made here a lower high, but on the RSI we had this high and we made a higher high to this point. So this was a bullish divergence on the RSI, and we see that after that the price pumped pretty nice. So what's happening right now? Right now we see that our price is going higher, but our RSI is going lower. So this is a bearish divergence. And as well, another point that we should be looking at, it's the RSI sitting right now at this support, that we can see that here it was support before we had this big pump, and when we broke this support, you see that the price went down a lot. So we want to make sure we stay above, and what can happen, so we will go instead of the bearish to the positive momentum. So we have to obviously break up and go higher than this point. What the price will have to do in that case, we will have to pump very fast and very high to make the RSI go that much higher in the next 2-3 weeks. So let's say if this is happening, we're going to be going to the upside, so we're probably going to be reaching around the 19 cents. And why do I get this target as well? From this triangle. Plus, if we're going to be taking our Fibonacci retracement from our high to our low here, we can see the 1.618 is pretty much on that spot of the 19 cents that we have. Let's see, that this used to be a resistance before. It was a little bit of support here, and then it had resistance here. So I believe that's going to be a strong level. So we might reach here if we'll be able to break the price higher. And why I'm thinking again that this area's probably going to be reached if we're going to be going down, if we're going to take from our low to our high here to the top, we get the 1.618 around this area, around the 12 cents, 12.3. So if you're not in Cardano yet, or you have some extra money to invest, because this is just, we're looking right now for a good entry points for the future, because the future of Cardano is huge, is amazing. And me and my wife, we've been doing a lot of research on this project and we love it. So what do we think, which areas, me personally, I'll be looking to be putting extra orders to buy if you have some extra money or if you're new to Cardano. So we can see that around the 13.5 cents, we're gonna have some area. Here it was a resistance, here it was a support, resistance again. When we couldn't break it, we went down. Here we had some support at this area. So my first buying point will be around this area. And again, don't ever just throw all your money at one entry point. Try to make 2-3 points of entry. So let's say if this is going to be the first one, the second one, I'll be looking around the 12.5 cents, because as well here we can see that this area was our resistance, support, resistance again, and it was kind of support here. We reach lower, but yeah, but I believe this area, if we're gonna be dropping, will be touching maybe here. So I'll be putting here another buying entry, and the lowest I'm thinking we're gonna reach, it's probably gonna be 11.5 cents, and I don't believe we're gonna see 10 cents again unless Bitcoin really gonna drop down like a rock. So I would say this is our last point of reaching, and if we're gonna reach there, that's gonna be an amazing opportunity to buy more, because again, you can see when Cardano will start pumping, it's going from the 8-10 cents that we saw lower, 100%. So you can tell that these are very good buying points, opportunities if you missed. So there's still a chance, but again, make sure you look in on the 4-hour, preferably a little bit easier to see. Follow this triangle, follow those breakout points. It's sometimes I've seen many times before happening as well. Just wanna give you a heads up. Sometimes it can break and you think, okay, it's broken, we're going up, and then it hits some resistance and start going down. So this happened not once before, same going down. It looks like we're gonna drop. It might stop here, and then pump up. So just be careful, watch out when you have a breakout. You wanna see a huge spike on the volume. So this is kind of confirming the breakout point. So if we're gonna take from this area, we can see kind of our volume continuously going down. So if suddenly at the breakout point we're gonna see a huge candle, so this is gonna give us a more strong confirmation. Okay, so this is not just another move on a low volume and it just slowly dropping or slowly going up. This move actually means something. And that's all I wanted to share with you today. Again, make sure to watch my wife's video. It's very informative, and I thinking that as well Theta, it's one of our favorite coins, tokens that you wanna have on your radar. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next video. Adios.